this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription with Stripe. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to products right here. Once you're in products, you want to click on add a product. Then this is where you will need to fill out your product information. So what is it that you're selling? So let's say, for example, that I'm going to be selling coaching with George. Okay, good. Then you can enter the description. So let's say it's going to be, a one-on-one coaching session, right? And then it's going to, you can add an image here. So you can upload some kind of an image. There we go. I can also add some additional features here like the statement descriptor, unit label, metadata, and feature list, but I usually just don't touch these. So I'm gonna close this down. Now this is where you get actually to the part where you're setting up the subscription. So you have different ways of pricing models, right? So you have the standard pricing, and then you have the package pricing, graduated pricing, volume pricing, and customer chooses their own price, okay? So the most popular and basic pricing is the standard pricing. So standard pricing is when you enter some kind of a price, let's say 49 euros. So this is where you choose the subscription thingy, right? So the recurring is the subscription, and one time it's just going to charge the customer once and that's it. So if you click recurring, then you can choose how often do you want to build your customers, right? So let's say the billing period is going to be daily, weekly, monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly, or custom. So if you click custom, you can decide every, for example, I don't know, 2.5 months. Oh, I can't have 2.5. So let's say, for example, every, 5 months. Right? Every 5 months, the customer is going to build this amount. Or you can just say, hey, every month I want to charge my customers 197 euro. You can also change the currency here. So once you've chosen your pricing model, you've entered the price and you've chosen how often would you like to bill your customers, then you click on save products. And once you've saved your products, you want to click here on create payment link. Here you'll be able to customize your payment page details. So you can add, for example, a custom field right here. So let's say that you want to add, Instagram handle, right? If you want to find the customer easy on Instagram, you can, collect their address. You can get them to provide their phone number, or you can include a free trial, etc. And then here, if you click on after payment, this is what they're going to see after they have subscribed. Okay, so you can also customize this. You can replace the default text with custom message. You can say, hey, I'm going to message you on Instagram, for example. Okay, and once you're done customizing this, you simply click on create link. And here you're going to see the link to your checkout page. So if you copy this and you open a new tab and you paste it in and we search for it, voila, you can see that this is going to be your checkout page. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.